The question and answer session was kick-started by the Public Relations Officer of Iyobor Parliament, Chief Jonah Ighodalo Ifada, with the introduction of the Labour Party governorship aspirant Dr. Loretta Ogboro-Okor, reading out her credentials, achievements and citations before she gave her speech.
My father is Richard Osarodiwa Harold Ogboro, son of Osagede Erabo Ogboro. He is from Ugoneki and Iguyase in Umuade local government area. Interestingly, my grandmother, Princess Josephine Onvihom Ohobie, was the first grandchild of Oba Ovorame. She has a lineage from Ebobeme, Yokoro, and she was in Calabar with our great Oba when he was exiled to Calabar. The two primary schools I went to, I was still the class monitor. In Federal Government Girls College Benin, I was the head girl. And then in University of Benin, I was the vice president of the University of Benin Medical Students Association.
Dr. Ogboro-Okor narrated her brief biography of academic successes which began in Nigeria and up to the United Kingdom. The Labour Party governorship aspirant gave credit to late Professor Bruce Ali as a former trailblazer governor of Edo State.
By the time I got to 200 level, my father died. After we left the University of Benin, we went to England. Within 6 months, I was back. Some people were laughing at me. They said my visa had expired, they deported me. Because when my father died, everybody came and said, go to Italy, I said no. And I don't blame people who go to Italy. But you see, those times we took our suffering, it was like God was processing me. It was like forming steel from raw iron. But you see, what kept me going was that riches of the soul and mind that my father sowed in me. Physical poverty we can cure, but poverty of the soul and mind is hard to cure. Over 12 years ago, myself and my husband, we started doing scholarship to the best graduating students in surgery. Brand new laptop and monetary prize in pounds. We've donated equipment worth millions to the University of Benin Teaching Hospital. We gave UPTH her first operating microscope.
During the interactive session, Dr. Loretta Ogboro-Okor was asked about how she intended to fix the education sector if she has the opportunity to become the next governor of Edo State. After addressing the question, the Labour Party governorship hopeful also promised to take healthcare to the grassroots level, provide solar system to power hospitals in rural areas.
We need to generate more revenue, and also we need to tap into the things we already have on ground. Primary healthcare is the healthcare at the local government levels. We cannot render our local government inactive. They are the closest to the people. The healthcare centers, they need to be revamped. I'm not building new ones. I'm not wasting money. All they need is solar power to power the fridges and to give light. And then they need water. Then I need to find a way to keep the staff. How do we do that? Because if you put people in the villages right now, they will leave. They will come to Benin. So we must realize that Edo State is more than Benin City. We must begin to do those things that will make people to stay in their locale. Our healthcare is a system. You need good roads. You need everything to make it happen. But you also need to work at it at the base level. If you want to go and do hairdressing, technical education. If you want to do plumbing, technical education. If you want to do mechanic, technical education. So I'm going to focus on primary basic education and technical education.
The personal assistant and project manager for Dr. Loretta Health Initiative, Mrs. Ebagwehita Agato, also stated clearly what makes her boss the best to become the next governor of Edo State.
Because of her passion for her state, that's why she's here. So I don't need anybody, we don't need a soothsayer to tell us if she's actually the right person for this. She has what it takes, she has the drive, she has the passion, and she's committed to her state.
The chairman Iyobor Parliament, Barrister Bayo Omoigi, spoke also on the purpose of the interactive session with the Labour Party governorship aspirant, while another executive member of the Iyobor Parliament, Prince Eromosele Martins, first vice president of Iyobor Parliament, have this to say.
We are very political. In fact, we want to know what is happening. Enough of, we don't want to be interested. We are interested because if the guy get there, we are part of the system that the president is going to rule. And so we are very much interested. And we want to know, whoever want to go to Sadebe house, what do you have?
For the first time, I'm highly overwhelmed because what she possessed is enough to become the president of this country. She has all the qualities, she has all the information that is needed to govern as a governor.
Very erudite in the true sense of it. Today she told us about what she'll be bringing on board, and as a matter of fact, the parliament was so wonderful and so happy to have had such a resource person want to go into public office.
The Iyobor Parliament is an independent body that stands for the best political interests of Edo people. Best Orator, reporting for BTV News.